Hey man, this is the second day of 2500 kilometer trip. Yesterday the day 1 went great. Today day 2 the goal is simple, to reach Kolkata from Bhubaneswar by the evening. Yesterday we started very late around 10:30 p.m. because it was my first day and it took me a lot of time to tie up the luggage, set up the camera, etc. But today it took me very less time as I am a little experienced. So I want to start little early at 8:30. I didn't have any breakfast because yesterday night I had a huge meal. Chicken kasa, egg tadaka and butter naan. So I just had ORS water and started my ride. One thing I learned from this ride is don't rely on tripper navigation. It is just waste. Maybe I'm stupid to understand it, but whatever, I don't like it. I will buy a mobile mount soon. Just see how this guy changed the lane. Scary. These roads are looking great. Huge buildings, less traffic, lots of trees. We are 436 kilometers away. I guess it'll take 6 to 7 hours to reach if everything goes well. I just hit a huge speed breaker. I jumped out of seat, so I stopped to make sure everything is tight and secured. Sometimes taking off these gloves is tough. Boy, I guess you can't park your lorry in the middle of the road like that. I have no idea how it happened. Anyway, this reminds me to ride safe and responsible. I checked the map. The route is mostly highway, which I genuinely don't enjoy because it feels boring. So let's see. After a few kilometers, I came across this bridge. A weird thing about me is that I don't like the time and sun between AM and 11 AM. It reminds me of school, and on the roads we see people are in hurry. Maybe that's why. But these scenes making it bearable. The sand, the water underneath, road with little to no traffic is feeling great. I love this kind of roads where you have dense trees on both sides of road. It feels like I'm riding into the forest. I want to maintain 70 to 80 kilometers speed because we have a lot of time and to be safe, and also will get more mileage. It is very sunny. The time is 10:30. So we already done like 100 kilometers for now. So I just want to take some break. To be frank, I hate highways because they are very boring. Let's give my ass a break. It is burning. And after a few minutes, let's leave. From now, the story changes. After that break, I was feeling like I'm riding through a lot of small pebbles, very bumpy. It is happening only when I was driving at lower speeds. Stopped to check and it felt fine. And the front tire also felt fine. So I started again and I felt the same. And after a kilometer at a tire shop, I stopped to check, and my suspicion is right that it is a puncture. A small nail but a big problem. I don't know what are these setups. They have bunch of tires and inflator machines to fill up the air, but they are not repairing punctures. If you know what are these, do comment down below. Now the real struggle starts. I have been asking everyone about puncture shop. Everybody is saying आगे 2 kilometer. I am very frustrated and stressful right now. I think I travel like 10 to 15 kilometers.
पंक्चर कितना दूर है?
A lot of people ask me why you bought tube tire when you can buy tubeless tire alloy wheels. Isn't it risking on roads if you get puncture? And I said yes, but I took the risk. I love the look of this bike and the spoke wheels. I thought of converting these into tubeless tire in future. I guess I will convert them. Royal Enfield should make the tubeless tires standard for every motorcycle, as they recently launched a limited edition Meteor 350. It comes with aluminum spoke wheels with tubeless tires.
भाई पंक्चर पंक्चर क्यूब हाँ किधर है?
When he said go back, my heart dropped. I didn't want to go back, so I continued moving forward.
इधर जाएंगे?
उधर जाएंगे तो उधर बहुत बड़ा बाजार है, वहाँ बन जाएगा।
कितना दूर है?
10 किलोमीटर।
ठीक है। पंचर 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 हाँ आगे नहीं है। हाँ और एयर फिल करो, एयर फिल करो, एयर फिल करो, एयर एयर आगे में कुछ है। कितना दूर है? 20 3 किलोमीटर। ठीक है।
Finally, I found someone who can repair it. I felt so relieved. The time is 11:14. It took around 45 minutes to prepare it.
वही हाईवे में
हाईवे में खोलता नहीं,
होता नहीं।
हाईवे में ये गाड़ी खोलता नहीं। दूसरे समय से हर कोई जगह में हो जाएगा, तुरंत कुछ नहीं होता।
This small nail made a 6 feet guy cry. Funny, right? After it's done, I said goodbye and started again. I am very thankful to him. Next time, to avoid puncture, don't stop at the sides of road where there is a lot of debris. If you want to stop, be careful, because the big vehicles push these small nails to the sides of the road. I am not at all feeling good. That incident made me feel very low. But in the meantime, I met a fellow rider. He showed thumbs up symbol and waved at me a few kilometers back. I thought he's questioning me. I thought maybe I did something wrong, like changed the lanes without signaling. Then he waved again after a few kilometers. We stopped and we just discussed about both of our plans. His ride is much more interesting than me. He rides on weekends and do his remote job on weekdays. Interesting, right? This is what you get from solo rides. Talking to strangers, making bonds. If you go with your friends, your discussions stay within your group. This brotherhood lifted my spirit again. Some boost to ride further.
So we crossed 200 kilometers. Generally, I have a very stiff neck and upper back. So I'm feeling a pain, soreness, and also I'm feeling
a little bit sleepy during the ride. That's why I took a break. Now we are 225 kilometers away, and the time is 1:45, I guess. It is very sunny, but the breeze is cold. This ride feeling like forever. You can see these guys, they helped me a lot. What happened was, I was riding at about 60 to 70 kilometers on the highway when suddenly the auto driver in front of me slammed his brakes. I used all my skills to stop the bike, but I couldn't avoid him and ended up bumping into the auto. I didn't fall because I had already reduced the speed almost completely. After that, the driver and another person got out of the auto and started talking. Within a few seconds, these guys came and stood beside me and said, "We've been traveling with him for the last 10 kilometers. He wasn't riding aggressively. The fault was yours, not his." And then the auto driver left. These guys are locals, so they handled well. I couldn't say anything because I don't know the language, and those two guys didn't give me a chance to speak anyway. After that, we had a small conversation. I told them about my trip and then I thanked them and said goodbye. After that incident, I was fed up. I want to reach safely and as soon as possible. I was just thinking that in the meantime, I came across this car. He reduced the speed and I thought he won't overtake, but immediately accelerated and overtook the lorry. I was constantly getting frustrated. I tried to distract myself by seeing these fields. We can't do anything more than this. Filled up the petrol. I will do a dedicated video on how much mileage I got in this trip. My neck is paining, so a little movement swinging my neck around. Now we are 174 kilometers away and I'm feeling happy when the kilometers are reducing. I heard about this road, a 6-lane road with no dividers and fields on both sides of the road. I'm feeling like I'm riding a horse. It's so good. Finally, I felt little better. This is how the life and ride going to be. It's not always good roads and great condition. You should also go through bad situations by bearing all good and bad. Then only you can reach your destination. Little too much right? I think the same. Now it's just 132 kilometer stretch. Let's do this. So we are 100 kilometers away from Kolkata. My ass is burning. My lower back is a little bit paining. Thought of not taking a break, but my back couldn't do that. The sun is slowly setting and it is still gonna take, I guess, 2 hours more time to reach. But the time now is around 4. So I think we'll reach at around 6. And I still didn't eat any food. I'm gonna eat a huge meal after I reach. That's it. I took a long break here as I'm mentally and physically exhausted. The sun is beautiful and I'm charging under the sun like Superman. This is the first signal that I've seen, and we are around 50 kilometers away from Kolkata. Unfortunately, the footage after this got corrupted. I will show you the place that I've stayed. This is Nerd Nest in Bidhal Nagar. It is beautiful, made lot of friends, very aesthetic, clean, and guess what? It's just 600 rupees per night. In the next video, the most beautiful and the best part of my entire ride, will share about that. See you on next Sunday.